Hello dear students. In the last class we have seen construction procedure for bituminous macadam. Am I right? In that preparation of existing layer, tack coat or prime coat application, need of them, then premix preparation, then placement, how it is placed. After placement, it should be rolled down so as to get the finishing surface. Right, today we will see dense bituminous macadam road, DBM road. Dense bituminous macadam is a binder course used for road construction with more number of heavy commercial vehicle. And a close graded premix material having a voids content of 5 to 10%. Voids content should be 5 to 10% only, it should be limited. DBM mixes are designed in the laboratory to strictly fulfill the specific properties and requirements that control the stability and durability under expected traffic. So first of all, you have to estimate what would be the expected traffic. Based on that, the mix of DBM should be designed in the laboratory by following the specific properties or to fulfill those properties. DBM layers to be laid as a single or in multiple layers, each of thickness 50 to 100 mm. 50 to 100 mm. What are the various materials used in DBM? In order to satisfy the design criteria of DBM mix, it shall consist of coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, and filler or screening material in suitable proportion with required binder content. Proper blend of aggregate should be done so that final gradation will satisfy the limits according to the thickness as shown in the table. Here the table is given. Grading number with thickness, sieve size in mm. For example, 37.5 mm sieve, 26.5, 19 mm, 13.2 mm. It goes up to, in terms of microns, 0.075 mm. What should be the percentage of passing so as to get the proper graded blended mix? Suppose if we going for 50 mm thickness, passing 37.5 and retained on 26.5 sieve shall be 100%, and subsequently all the values, how much percentage of aggregate should be taken from passing and retained, you yourself can understand by going through the table. If you can understand one in the classroom, it is possible by you. Suppose if you going for second thickness 50 mm, then 37.5 passing should be 100. 37.5 passing and retained on 26.5 is 85 to 100%. So when such range is given, exactly 85% or exactly 100% is not quite possible. Then you can take average here, 71 to 95. Add those two divided by 2, you will get the average. So much percentage of material should pass through 26.5 mm sieve and retained on 19, and so on. Coarse aggregate. It is retained by 2.36 mm sieve size. Preferably it should be hydrophobic and of low porosity. Voids should be very less. Porosity is nothing but voids present. That's why we are carrying out the test water absorption of aggregate in the laboratory. When we come to the virtual lab, that is also will be on online. There we will understand much more. In case of more porous aggregate, extra bitumen for absorption by aggregate shall be provided to satisfy the design criteria. Aggregate impact value test. So after coming to the practicals, we will come to know for DBM road construction what should be those values while assessing the or evaluating the strength. In terms of aggregate impact value, it shall be maximum in percentage 35. Los Angeles abrasion value, so as to see the hardness. Impact value will give us toughness property. So like that. So aggregate impact value should be maximum value 35%, Los Angeles abrasion value 40%, flakiness index 35%, stripping value 25%, and so on with respect to other properties. Fine aggregate. It is used by passing on 2.36 mm and retained on 75 micron consisting of crushed screenings. Finer material, screenings, natural sand or a mixture of both. It should be clean, hard, durable, uncoated and dry, free from soft and flaky pieces and organic or other deleterious substances. So certain things are self-understanding. You need not have to study 4 or 5 times. You can understand in a single stroke what it is. From the point of view of examination, you have to study carefully. Filler, that is screening material. It is passing through 75 micron sieve or 0.075 millimeter. Stone dust, cement, hydrated lime, fly ash and other non-plastic material are used as a filler material. Filter or filler material. Normally, filler requirement is met by the material passing through 75 micron ISCU in the aggregate. If the aggregate is deficient than THAN, here there is a spelling mistake, it should be than. It should be than, THAN, okay. Then extra filler is added. Extra filler should be as shown below. It is given in the table. Sieve 600 micron, percent passing is 100%. 150 micron at least 90%. Whereas 75 micron 70%. It should be greater than 70%. Bitumen. The bitumen shall be of viscosity grade paving bitumen complying with the Indian standard specification. Appropriate grade of bitumen is selected after considering the region, traffic and environmental conditions. So these are the factors will influence while making selection of a particular grade of bitumen. So you will come to know during the penetration test and the viscosity test how the bitumen is graded. Okay. Construction procedure stepwise. Construction of DBM road consists the following steps: preparation of base, preparation of mix, spreading of the mix, compaction, opening to traffic. So spreading of mix is done by using a spreader that we have already seen how it looks like and how it is used. Compaction is done using 6 to 8 or 8 to 10 tons weight road rollers. Depending upon the soil to be anticipated, we may have to go for smooth wheeled roller, ship foot roller or vibratory rollers. Preparation of base. The base on which DBM is to be laid shall be prepared to the specified dimensions. The surface shall be thoroughly swept and free from dust and other materials. If the base is irregular and wavy means undulations, then proper correlative course of adequate thickness is provided to rectify the profile. After this, the tack coat is applied as per specification. So what is stack coat and how it is applied, everything we have seen in the previous classes, right? Now how the mix is proportioned and prepared. Preparation of mix is carried out in hot mix plant, that is abbreviated as HMA, as shown in these photographs, of adequate capacity. That means the plant which we establish should have adequate capacity. Then we can produce more mix at a time and work can be made faster in the field. Plant may be excuse me, either batch type or a continuous type. It depends. Spreading of mix. You can see the photographs, you will understand. This is known as tipper or dumper. So this will be horizontal in original status. After it is loaded and brought to the site, in order to remove the material from this dumper or tipper truck, it is to be inclined. Until unless we provide gradient, the material cannot roll down onto the surface for spreading purpose. It should be spread in such a manner that after compacting, the required thickness of binder course is uniformly laid. Compaction. The mix after spreading shall be compacted by rolling using a set of rollers, and the speed with which the compaction is done using roller shall not exceed 5 km per hour. We should not move the vehicle with more speed. It should be less than 5 km per hour. Then proper compaction is done. Typical roller position used in compaction, etc. You yourself can read and understand. Final or finished rolling, intermediate rolling, initial or breakdown rolling. So it has been divided into 3 different steps, the compaction process. So you read and understand. If not, you ask the question during the Google Meet. I will solve your doubt or difficulty. Then premix carpet, PC. Even sometimes it is also known as PMC, premix concrete, PCR, PMC. It is not plain cement. Okay? That's why abbreviations with respect to the context, you have to understand the meaning. It is the oldest mix in India. It's very good, economical, bituminous varying surface course or varying course mix to be placed directly on waterbound macadam. Directly it can be placed on WBM road. Premix carpet is an open graded bituminous mix which is widely used as an overlay on urban sections and as a surface course on rural roads in India. Could you get the meaning? In case of rural roads, directly we can use as a surface course premix carpet, whereas premix carpet is used in case of WBM road as overlay. So how the work is going on in the field also is shown in this photograph. You can watch how they are doing and how it is compacted, how the extra bituminous premix carpet material, if it is extra, that is being removed and spread there itself. If at all at the edges, machine may not be able to do properly because of obstructions, laborers will take the simple tools and they will spread it. Materials. The bitumen binder of 80 bar 100 grade or rotor of grade RT3, rapid curing tar. RT means rapid curing tar 3 is used. The quantity of binder required for 2 cm thick carpet is as under. That means how the total quantity of material required to prepare the mix for 2 cm thick carpet is given. Prime coat on a WBM surface 7.3 to 9.8 kg bitumen or 12.20 to 14.64 kg road per 10 meter squared. So you have to calculate on the basis of area. For 10 square meter, the prime coat on a WBM surface of 7.3 to 9.8 kg bitumen is required, or 12.2 to 14.64 kg is required. Tack coat on existing blacktop surface 4.9 to 7.3 kg of bitumen or 7.3 to 9.8 kg road tar per 10 meter squared. Even the properties after assessing the laboratory test of the aggregates which you are using in the mix is also given in the table that you yourself can refer. If you are unable to understand, afterwards you put the question. Construction procedure for pre-mixed bituminous carpet. First of all, you have to prepare the existing surface. Before the carpet is applied to the existing layer, it is necessary to prepare the same by filling the potholes or depressions. If they are seen, they are required to be made up with pre-coated chippings. Application of tack coat. Bitumen binder is heated to a specific temperature before its application on the mix. Then viscosity increases, therefore it can flow like a fluid and it can be applied. Preparation and placing of the premix. It is prepared in a mechanical mixer or an improvised hand drum mixer for premixing. The aggregates and the bitumen are however heated separately up to the required temperature. Soon after the mixing is completed, thorough homogeneous mix, not through, thorough, is obtained and the same is taken out and carried up to the site for spreading and rolling. So rolling and finishing, every time we need not have to repeat, same. Application of seal coat, it is also same. Surface finishing, the longitudinal undulations under 3 meter straight edge, it is a tool to see whether how much undulations are left even after compaction. And it should not, and it is stated it should not exceed 30 number of undulations in a length of 300 meter road length. The cross profile should not have undulations exceeding 6 mm. Is it clear? The undulation should not exceed 6 mm and number of such undulations to be observed in the field after compaction is over for a length of 300 meter road length, 30 numbers. And then the road may be open to the traffic only after providing the seal coat or surface dressing. Dry lean concrete. It contains less amount of cement base as compared to the conventional concrete, DLC, dry lean concrete. This word is important, lean. Lean means little bit more fluid, more fluidity. It is a plain concrete with a large ratio of aggregate to cement than conventional concrete. Thereby, we can save money. It becomes economical too. Thickness of DLC is generally recommended as 100 mm to 150 mm as per IRC special specification, special bulletin 49, developed in 1998, around 22 years back. The maximum aggregate to cement ratio is 15 to 1. So 15 is to 1. 1 bag of cement should be mixed with 15 bags of aggregate. The average compressive strength of DLC cubes at 7 days strength should not be less than 10 Newton per meter squared. It should not be less than 10 Newton per meter squared or Pascal. Okay. DLC is generally used as a base or sub-base of rigid pavements. This is rigid pavement. You can see lean concrete sub-base and base course are used. Procedure. Before construction of dry lean concrete sub-base, the prepared subgrade is sprinkled with water and moist the surface. DLC material is laid uniformly by a paver without any segregation. It should not be get segregated. Properly it should be spread. The curing of DLC can be done by spraying of liquid curing compound. Liquid curing compound is used, or it can be done by covering the surface by wetted gunny bags. So curing, you know, Even in case of building construction, when we are constructing, after casting a slab or beam or column, we used to cover with gunny bag first, and then water is poured over it so that it retains the water for a longer time and curing will be done accurately or to the required strength to be achieved. Pavement quality concrete, PQC. Pavement quality concrete grade of PQC is generally M40 and it is designed as per IRC 15/2002. These specifications are to be followed. PQC is used for the construction of concrete roads as a top layer. Generally top layer on the highway having thickness of 300 mm or 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. Okay. Materials required. Ordinary Portland cement IS 269, Portland Pozzolana cement IS 459 as per the specification, and our Portland slag cement if we use, it should conform to IS 1489, may be used for PQC. Crushed aggregates with maximum size of 32 mm. Is it clear? Can be used as per IS 383. Clean coarse river sand to be used for PQC conforming to IS 383. Water conforming to IS 456/2000 to be used for PQC, because water should not be contaminated one. Then it plays a very important role. There would be adverse effect on the quality of concrete mix. Therefore, water should conform to IS 456/2000. In case of hot water, concrete plant should have a arrangement for water cooling. Different types of admixtures conforming to IS 6925 and IS 9103 are to be used for PQC. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. We will see in the next class the remaining part. Okay. I hope you are enjoying the sessions. Am I right? Okay.